Hello everybody, welcome to Friday. One of the things that I'm trying to do with this video series and the original Genesis was to try to point out positive things in this negative environment. I think it's a lot harder to find the positive. The news is full of the negative. And it's not that I'm ignoring the negative. I'm entrusted as your money manager and I have to take into account all of those things. But I do think the positive can get buried. So for today is a great example. The market fell during the first part of the day, and then it bounced off the 200-day moving average, just like it was supposed to, and ended up actually up for the day, which is very positive to me. And according to MarketWatch, 94% of the stocks on the U.S. stock market are above their 50-day moving average, and 90% of the stocks are above their 20-day moving average. Both of those are very positive signs for short-term market strength. We did have the highest drop in consumer spending reported today, but it was coupled with the biggest increase in incomes for the U.S. ever. And that's because of the stimulus money that has come in. And so if you combine those two together, you now have a 33% increase in savings rate. The U.S. isn't great at savings rate, so this is a big deal. That's money that can be spent at some point in the future and might create a pop at some point in time. And then we've got the fact that for us as a group, within our portfolios, this is the best that I've ever done in terms of I benchmark every single account against a similar mixture of stocks and bonds in the whole market. So even after fees, I've never had a higher rate of return over and above those benchmarks ever. And so what we're doing is working. It worked today, and it's worked really, especially in the rebound so far. So those are all positive things. I hope you have a great weekend, and I look forward to talking to you on Monday. Thank you very much.